Over the last 100 years, we have tremendously improved our water supply purity as well as our food supply, but we haven't done much with the air we breathe. Actually, the building standards for indoor air hasn't much changed in the last 50 years. But what have changed during that time is that our buildings are becoming more and more airtight. So we're letting less and less air from the outside coming inside our building for energy saving purposes. As a result, we are breathing the same air over and over. It's like we're living inside of a big plastic bag. And the bioburden inside our building have increased. We have noticed this with the COVID-19 crisis, that it's inside that we get infected because we are the source of the virus by emitting aerosols up in the air, and these aerosols will concentrate in places that are poorly ventilated. Many years, actually almost 20 years before the COVID-19 crisis, some studies were done inside buildings to see if we eliminate the molds growing on coils, on cooling coils, does it affect the health of the occupants? And the answer is yes. This study, a double-blind study on over 800 people, was done on 3 different buildings, downtown buildings in Montreal, over a period of 2 years, and concluded that 40% of the people felt better when the UV system was on. And that UV system was only doing one thing, keeping those cooling coils free of molds, therefore reducing the amount of allergens and toxins emitted in the air by those molds. And this was published in the Lancet Medical Journal in 2003. And you would think that this would be a landmark, and yes, but yet, if there's no standards to oblige building owners to do that, nothing is moving. And that's basically the biggest hurdle. There is no standard asking for reducing the bioburden inside buildings, and we just keep doing this. However, every place where we have installed ultraviolet system inside buildings, we saw an improvement in the indoor air quality and the reduction of allergic reaction in the population.